Hello guys, today I will be showing you how I make this vegetable egg sauce guys to eat delicious yam guys. Watch this video to the end and see the process. So here is the pot I'm using. I go in with groundnut oil. After groundnut oil, I added onions, a lot of onions, you know. Wife material love onions so much guys. So after adding the onions, I have to leave it to fry for some minutes before adding the tomatoes and pepper guys. As you can see on this video, I go in with the pepper and tomatoes and I turn it together as a wife material that I am. Oh my. Now that wife material they make some people they laugh for, so I can cover and make it cook for some minutes guys. We are back again guys. Let's stir it together. They tell you say now wife material they run like this. If you want to learn how to cook delicious food, come to my channel and learn it. So we add salt inside. After salt, we go in with Maggi, as you can see on this video. Added Maggi inside. I said let me turn it together as a wife material that I am. Who they run now wife material. So after frying it, this is the vegetable. This is flozy spinach guys, so I rinsed it again before using it, as you can see on this video. After adding it, I have to turn it together. Make sure you turn it very well. You know say wife materials are bit turn well. Now so we take cook calm. Now so if you test this food, then it was so yummy and delicious. So this is the egg we are using, so I have to bust the egg. Guys, don't forget to follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, watch the video or updates, watch out for the beginning to the end so that you will know the process of how I cook the delicious meal guys. So I'm busting the egg guys. I make use of 8 eggs on these recipes guys. Guys, share this video. I don't even know what to tell you again. Just watch the video to the end. We are done busting it guys. So this is the yam that we are cooking. We are frying the yam guys. So we fry the yam. So the last set of the yam is ready. As you can see, I'm removing it from the oil. Who they run. If you test this fried yam, that is why I said mokuna they watch my video. So people don't know how to fry the yam. Come and watch this video and know how to fry it. So I go in with egg. As you can see, we added egg to our vegetable sauce. So this is how I do it. So watch this video to the end and see the process. We are back again guys. We are turning it. Why I'm turning it now is because the under of the pot is already burning, so I don't want it to burn. I have to turn it. If you test it, oh my gosh, it was so yummy and delicious. Not too much, sorry. As you can see on this video, we don't need too much oil on it. We just fry the yam with oil. We also do the sauce so that we can use it to enjoy it. Take a look now. What do you think about this recipes guys? Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.